Am
I gonna survive? No, there's no way. Wait.
Ah!
No, I'm definitely nearly. Oh, my own motorcycle's gonna kill me.
I'm making it. Oh, I'm so good.
I died when my motorcycle stopped.
Oh no! Okay, I hit something. I'm dead. Oh god.
Yeah, I died. My motorcycle crushed me.
It's impossible to do it in first person. Like it's so
I know,
disorienting.
I've been in third.
You cheater.
Control myself.
Yeah, because
Doesn't
you can't
help,
see
'cause
what
once
hits
you're
you.
too fast in a rim, and just nosedive into a hill.
No. Oh, okay. But honestly, though, Ollie, you should just download it, like if you're not playing anything, or if you're like falling asleep.
I can't get to my motorcycle anymore.
Go down then. Mine's below you. I'm falling. You gotta pick me up though. Oh god, this is really steep. I don't know if you'll even be able to. Oh wait. Nope, come on.
Oh, I'm above it, but I'm sliding down. Yeah, I'm gonna die. There's no way I have way too much speed right now.
Come on.
Wait.
Nope.
I lived.
Oh, Chigga, I'm so close, Chigga. Ah. Don't go down here. You'll need a lot of speed to get back up. I think I can make it up. Come on.
I don't know. Should I go down?
Come on. I can do it. I believe. You know, I think this falling stuff is bullshit. My friend Robert has fallen off like a 20-foot cliff and survived with no serious damage. I call this game bullshit. We're just going down then. Oh boy.
Oh,
do you want to do something else, or do you guys want to play PUBG?
Oh my god, I'm so high up!
Oh, I had a parachute!
Survived.
What? How'd you survive? Did you pull a
Because
parachute?
I'm like your friend Robert. I'm sliding really slowly. It's gonna kill me because my health is so low.
Oh my god, you went higher than I did, and I died, and you didn't. Bullshit.
I only died because I was sliding really slowly and I had
Wait,
really
there's
low
an enemy somewhere on the map, like coming after.
Oh god.
Yeah.
Ollie, would you be not play a game of PUBG?
I don't know.
Or anything? Anything if you'd like. Do you want to try and drive up to your motorcycle with my motorcycle? Ow, Jesus.
Sure.
What's that rat?
Can you mark where it is?
Yes.
Bro, I am so good at this. Oh god. Oh, this is gonna be a tough one. Ah! Come on! Yeah! Well, you could tell me you're getting off. Is it below me?
Yeah. I'm on it.
Alright, let's go, bro. No acceleration, no deacceleration,
Oh.
just controlling. Oh, of course there's a tree.
Oh, I have no idea how that didn't launch me off. I have no idea how that didn't launch me off. I'm really high up.
Oh! What are you doing out
Dude,
here?
I'm like perfect. I hit rocks at angles that just launch me in the air everywhere.
Yeah?
Yeah, oh, I'm really high up now. My bike made it down.
Chicka.
Like, I can see the railroad. I'm like maybe 30 feet away from the railroad. I almost made it down. With the air I got from the bike, from like that launch, my bike even made it past the railroad.
Oh! Ow! I'm dead. I was close, but not close enough. I decided to be stupid and accelerate. I died real fast after that.
Rocks, like, in such perfect ways to like launch myself.
I wish you should have recorded it. I wish I saw it.
Oh, honestly, I think here I'll shadow play.
Can you just link it to me or something? Somehow? Even if I don't have shadow play?
Oh, well, I can upload.